Listen carefully, because if you don't fix this, you will keep failing over and over again, and no one is going to save you. You're failing, and it's your fault, so listen up. Dark 1. What is the root of failure? You say you want success, you dream about it, you talk about it, but when it comes time to actually put in the work, you hesitate, you procrastinate, you make excuses, you tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. And every time things get uncomfortable, you run, you quit, and that's exactly why you always fail. Dark 2. Why others win while you stay stuck. Look at the people who make it. Do you think they had it easy? Do you think they felt motivated every day? No, they showed up when they didn't feel like it. They kept going when it sucked. Because winners understand one thing: discipline beats motivation. You don't wait until you feel ready. You act no matter what. Now, the final dark truth. The reason you're failing isn't bad luck. It's not the world working against you, it's you. You keep waiting for the perfect time, the right mood, the easy path. But that moment will never come. The world doesn't care about your excuses. It rewards those who refuse to stop. So ask yourself, are you going to keep failing, or are you finally going to take control? Because the truth is, no one is coming to save you. It's you against your excuses. Choose wisely.